Hi everyone, welcome to my class. Today I am going to deal with a new chapter and the most important one where most of the masters commit mistakes. So you are required to pay attention to the chapter, the preposition. What is a preposition? A word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relationship to some other words is called preposition. For example, the books are on the table. Here, the relationship between table and the books are being described with this word on. On shows the relationship between table and book, that is with other words. A preposition may take different types of objects like a noun phrase, an adjective which functions as a noun, an infinitive, a gerund, and an adverb itself which functions as a noun, a prepositional phrase, a noun clause, and an adverbial phrase. For example, put this book on the table. Here, this on relates to the table and it is noun. The match was about to start. About to start. That means here verb is being related with the help of about preposition. Next one is the echo comes from across the mountains. From across the mountains. Adverbial phrase. The fire seems to start from inside the house. From inside the house, prepositional phrase. Thus, a preposition denotes the position a person or thing occupies in relation to other words in the sentence. Preposition expresses the following relation between words. For example, time, place, manner, means, cause, reason or purpose, possession, then measures. Some of the prepositions expressing time are in, behind, on, beyond, at, after, till, until, by, within, from. Next, prepositions expressing place are along, across, at, before, in front of, above, below, in or on. Next, preposition expressing manner are with courage, with case, die by inches. Then prepositions expressing means are by post, by, through, etc. Then prepositions expressing cause, reason or purpose are for, from, of. The next one is prepositions expressing possession are of, with, in. The last one, preposition expressing measures are, is, by. Now, kinds of preposition. Prepositions can be divided into 5 classes. Number 1 is simple preposition, compound preposition, double preposition, participial preposition, and last one is phrasal preposition. Simple prepositions is preposition which are short, simple and not derived from any other words. For example, at, in, on, by, with, for, of, near, since, from, over, down, out, till, to, up, under, enough, etc. Then compound prepositions. These prepositions are formed by putting up prefixes before nouns, adjectives or adverbs. Prefixes like a, which means on, b means by, about, above, across, among, before, behind, below, between, into, outside, until, within, onto, up to, without. These are all compound prepositions. Next is double preposition. These prepositions are formed when two prepositions are united to express a sense. For example, a hospital stands over against the school. Over, against. These are two prepositions and they are united together to express one sense. A man went out from within his house. Out from within his house. They express one thing. Next is participial preposition. These are present participles in form but used as prepositions. For example, bearing, concerning, during, considering, pending, notwithstanding, respecting, etc. Last preposition, phrasal preposition. These are group of words used with the force of prepositions. Each phrase begins and ends with a preposition. For example, in spite of, in and of, in order to, etc. Some prepositions are used as adverbs also. For example, coming, adverb. The milk is in the jug, preposition. This in can be used as adverb and as well as preposition. Generally, a preposition used before a noun or a pronoun, but in some circumstances it does not happen either because the complement has to take place first position in the clause or because it is absent. For example, WH questions. What are you looking for? Finish. So for here is being used at the end. Relative clause, the man whom I was talking about is dead. Whom? About. Next is WH clause. What I am convinced of is not completely true. Then infinite clause. He is impossible to work with. And at last, exclamation. What a mess he has got into. So in this way, these are the different classifications of prepositions, and in my next class I shall be dealing with its uses. Thank you.